Good morning. My name is Komal from BSc Final Year Chemistry Honors. I am reading a chapter of fermentation for visual impaired students. Let's start. Fermentation is the chemical transformation of organic substance into simpler compound by the action of enzyme complex organic catalysts which are produced by microorganisms such as mold, yeast or bacteria. Fermentation technology is the use of microorganisms to produce food, pharmaceuticals, and alcoholic beverages or a large-scale industrial basis. The science of fermentation is called zymology. Principle of fermentation process. The basic principle involved in the industrial fermentation technology is that organisms are grown under suitable conditions by providing raw material meeting all the necessary requirements such as carbon, nitrogen, salt, trace element and vitamin. The end product formed as a result of their metabolism during their lifespans are released into the media which are attracted for use by human beings and that have a high commercial value. Type based on respiration. Aerobic fermentation or aerobic glycolysis is a metabolic process by which cells metabolize sugars. View fermentation is the presence of oxygen and occurs through the respiration of normal respiratory metabolism. Aerobic fermentation means that oxygen is present. Wine, beer, and acetic acid vinegar need oxygen in the primary or first stage of fermentation. When treating acid vinegar, for example, exposing the surface of the vinegar to as much oxygen as possible creates healthy and flavor vinegar with the concentration pH. Homofermentation when only one type product formed. Heterofermentation when more than one product are formed. Lactic acid fermentation. Lactic acid is formed from pyruvate product in glycolysis. NAD positive is generated from NADH. An enzyme lactate dehydrogenase catalyst this reaction. Lactobacillus bacteria prepare curd from milk by this type of fermentation during insect exercise when oxygen supply in inadequate muscle drive energy by producing lactic acid which gets accumulate in the cell causing fatigue. C6H12 lactic acid then form CH3CH and hydroxy group second carbon. Glucose converts into pyruvate and 2-pyruvate converts into 2-lactate. Now alcohol fermentation. This is used in the industrial production of wine, beer, biofuel, etc. The end product is alcohol and CO2. Pyruvic acid breaks down into acetylation and CO2 is released. In the next step, ethanol is formed from acetaldehyde. NAD positive is also formed from NADH which is reused in glycolysis. Yeast and some bacteria carry out this type fermentation. Enzyme pyruvic acid decarboxylase and alcohol dehydrogenase catalyze these reactions. Glucose converts to pyruvate, 2-pyruvate converts to acetaldehyde, and then 2-acetaldehyde convert into 2-ethanol. Alcohol dehydrogenase. Glucose convert to pyruvate, that is a glycolysis, and 2-pyruvate convert into 2-ethanol, that is NAD regeneration. Citric acid derives its name from the Latin word citrus with a molecular weight of 210.14 gram per mole, which contains 3 carboxylic functional groups with 3 different values of pKa 3.1, 4.7 and 6.4. Citric acid, a primary metabolic product, is the most important organic acid produced in large quantity and is extremely used in food and pharmaceutical industries. Citric acid is a tricarboxylic acid formed in the tricarboxylic acid cycles and is found small quantities in a all living organism. Citric acid was first commercial produced in England in 1826 from lemon unit 1919 to produced mainly by submerged fermentation using extremely vinegar or candida from different sources of carbohydrates such as molasses, and starch-based media. Structure of a citric acid. Carboxylic acid CH2, COH, CWH, CH2, CWH. Citric acid production. About 99% of world citric acid produce occur through microbial process which can be carried out using submerged or surface culture. The 70% of anhydrous or monohydrate form of citric acid used in food and beverage industry as an acidifier of antioxidant to prevent or enhance the flavor and aromas of fruit juice, ice cream, and marmalade. 20% of use in the pharmaceutical industry as antioxidant to preserve vitamins, efficient pH correctors, blood preservation, or in form of iron citrate as a source of iron for the body as well as in tablet, ointment, cosmetic preparation. In the chemical industry, when use the remaining 10% is employed as a foaming agent for the softening and treatment of textiles. Surface fermentation using rice bran or other starch or sugar-rich substrate have been used for surface fermentation by asparagus vinegar or in liquid solution in flat aluminum or stainless steel pan. A vinegar can be used to produce citric acid despite the high content of trace metal in rice bran are used. The citric acid is extracted from the bran by lusting and then precipitate from the resulting solution as calcium citrate. Submerged fermentation. It is a common practice where citric acid is made. The fermentation is made of acid-resistant material such as stainless steel. The carbohydrate source are molasses, deionized by iron excess, source of glucose, MgSO4, 7H2, and KH2PO4 at about 1% and 0.05 to 2% respectively are added. The pH is never allowed higher than 3.5. Copper is used at up the 500 ppm as an antagonist of the enzyme aromatase, which require iron. 1 to 5% of methanol, isopropanol, or ethanol when added to fermentation containing unpurified material increase the yield. The yield are reduced in medium with purified material as high aeration is leads to citric acid production. Mechanical agitation is not necessary and air may be bulbed through antifoam is added. The fungus occurs is a uniform dispersal of a pellet in the medium. The fermentation lasts for 5 to 14 days. Thank you.